welcome to my video, and today I'm gonna be making an easy makeup tutorial. Do you see all that body parts beside me, guys? Introduce my Tita Abby! I can't be making them up. So we're talking about me having a fresh video and also a fresh air and a fresh view. So come on. Look at the view. Wow! And also, hi everyone, ThumbsUpReign. Hi guys, welcome to my video. Look that we have here. I need to open this up. It's so hard to open this up, right?
Open up.
Let's open it up. I don't know why I don't have to open it up.
Right.
There you go. This is
What's that?
foundation. And also, next, this is blush. And also we have a brush here to get it up in our face. So be pretty. And then next we have, whoa, I need to be careful next time. What is this
Open.
called? Eyeshadow! And also, it's so special that they have a mirror on it. Why have a mirror? Because I think you can look at yourself. So you can be pretty, I guess. And also, lipstick. Now, mascara is my favorite. And now, key light. First, we're starting with a foundation, just the same.
What?
Always the same. It has this. I don't know why it's the same. There you go. Puff it off. This time you need to be careful puffing it. But every time I puff it, it'd be so crazy.
Nosebleed na ako. Dito tayo. Mag-freeze lang. Malaki mo.
Brush it up. What? Didn't it show?
Ah?
There you go. Let's just scrub it on the face. And now, the other side is scrub it up. Now, right, even on the nose. So many on the nose. But you cannot do anything about that. You give me a chew. Alright. Wow. Now next, we're starting with a blush. And now, also, we need to open it up. Get it up. The brush. So we can do it. But we can do it by ourselves. Pretty girl.
Open natin.
What's really good about that? That's all ready. Hey, what? You want to see I'm ready? What? Oh. Oh, I should get some. I didn't. Ah, no, not them. Scrub it up on the face to be pretty. I know how to do that. Now this one will be cool. Just put it back. Oh, so itchy. Ah, I put some on my face. Ah, I need to get it off. Well, I'm so silly. So silly today. But, oh, I guess you want to see my Tita Abby. I don't know why. Because you cannot see I'm on the video. I just said, oh, well, I think. There you go.
What's that?
What color that you like?
Color pink.
And then
And color peach.
peach.
This one.
More pretty. Let's put it on. Let's put it in a version to the sides. I use. I really like this silver one. So cool. This time
How about
first.
this
This time to this side, I'm gonna use first the peach one. Let's see how that all. But still morning.
Smile. Kanta ka rin. Anong kanta mo? Dali.
Next, so we gonna use lipstick. I better be careful again. Other sizes.
Ayun na?
Some pieces of other side here. And there's mascara, my favorite.
Favorite part?
Wipe it off. We need to wipe it off. Just add.
About my kilay. I do.
Alright. And also the last one need to be pretty, so let's use this special one to use with your eyebrows. This is the key light. It can be so cool. But
What's next?
now it's time to brush. Now.
All set. Dali, kanta na. Kanta na. Are you done?
And now, let me see if you turn it around. Hope you see. And 3, 2, 1. But first, we need to see the hair. Well, there we go. And now, Peter one if we say, let's move the hair first. It's gonna be so pretty. Now, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Amazing! Let's make Tita look pretty. Press the subscribe button and make sure to make a big thumbs up. Bye!